Alright guys, welcome to part 1 of building the Twitch replica site. So, this is what it's going to look like for those who are curious. That's for the sign-ups, for the before signing up screen. And then, here. And this will be after. Oop. Hang on. No, don't move this one. Stretch this out. There we go. So yeah, that's what it's going to look like for sign in and whatnot. So let's get started, shall we? So this is your boilerplate for HTML. By the way, if you haven't downloaded Visual Studio Code yet, I recommend that you do. If you want to use Atom or any other text editor, I'm fine with it. But Visual Studio Code is extremely helpful, in my opinion. But yeah, it's what I prefer. So this is your doc type right up here. And then you have your HTML, which has everything in. And then we got your head. So the head is what users do not see. So you have what you have here, like, for example, things that you link, except for the title, of course. So if you take a quick look, yeah, let me bring up the browser. That is what you guys are going to be seeing. Okay, I need OBS Studio to work with me here. Well, you'll see on your browser. I prefer using Google Chrome, but you know what, that doesn't matter right now. So that's what's inside the head. So like text styling and linking up like your style sheet and whatnot, and you know, like font awesome, whatever. And then you have your body, which is what users actually see. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with a header. And then we're going to make a div. So this is the reason why I like pardon my language. This is why I like Visual Studio Code. So we're going to do div dot logo area. Okay, look at that. And it makes the class for you. So basically what classes are, they you can use them multiple times, and you tag classes in your CSS page to and then you can personally style those. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an H4 for now, and this is the logo. Okay. And then I'm going to be pressing enter twice. I'll show you guys where to get the CDN for Font Awesome in a little bit, actually. Let's move that out of the way for now because we actually don't need it. So let's see. We have our logo area. We're going to be switching off and on between this. So we have our logo area. We have our browser. I'm going to ignore that browse part, I think. You know what? Let's keep it. So we're going to do div. Hang on. Div dot browse area. And then H3s. I'm gonna do browse. Esports. Instead of music, let's do charity events. Okay? And then what we're going to do, we're going to be going back and forth between everything just so everyone knows. So let's see. There are these 3 dots right there. We're going to ignore that. So we have a search area with an icon. Okay. Div search area. And then what we're going to do is input type equals text, placeholder equals search. Then I'm just going to write icon right here so we know what we are looking for. So we will figure that out later. So now there's that little crown thing. I'm going to ignore that. And then what we're going to do we're going to do a div class of user logins. And then we're going to make buttons. We're going to do login. Do sign up. And then another icon. Let's go ahead and save that. And then let's bring up the browser, refresh it, and this is what we have so far. Oh, what the fuck? I'm going to be doing this quite a lot. Maybe I should get like a full screen capture or something. I don't know. I wish that the page would refresh along with what's going on. Here. Let's do this really quick. OBS Studio, I hate you sometimes. So, we are going to go to there, there. Okay, I don't know what the heck is going on. But we have our search area, we have our logo area. So, actually, let me try something. I'm sorry about this. Browser. So that you guys don't have to look at a thing. What? So yeah, this is what it looks like. So, yeah, I'll figure something out. So, look forward to the next video. Bye.